Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be doing a video. I have some must-have accessories here for the Galaxy Note 9, from a wireless charger to some cases that I want to show you guys. I know I did a case video already, but I picked up some additional ones, a Samsung branded one and a Spec branded one. And I also picked up the Samsung wireless charger duo because I do have the Samsung Gear S3, which is compatible with the wireless charger duo. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to unbox all these products in this video. I will do some separate videos on the products, such as the cases and the wireless charger duo, but this is just an unboxing of all three of them in one video. So let's get started. I did pick these up. Best Buy does have a deal where you buy 3 accessories or 3 cases and you get 25% off. So I did pick these up for about $160, which is a good deal because overall this only cost about $89 with that 25% off, which is awesome. And I don't remember the exact pricing for the cases, but I want to say this is about $120 by itself alone, so that is a good deal. So as I said, I got the wireless charger duo. I have the Samsung S View flip cover here. I was actually trying to get this on release day, but they didn't have it. And then we have the Samsung, the Spec Presidio Glossy Grip for the Galaxy Note 9, and the tape on this is from the order pickup. I didn't order pickup from BestBuy.com. So let's save the best for last. We'll unbox this last. So we'll put that off to the side. Let's go ahead and get into the cases. And I will be doing a video specifically on the S View flip cover by itself because I know a lot of people are interested in that. Looks like Spec has changed their packaging. That looks like a recycled cardboard right there, which is really nice. Go ahead and take that off. And this is the glossy case. It's not a matte finish, but it has the rubberized grips on it, so it's still a very grippy case, which is really nice that you can get a glossy case with those grips on it. So I do have my Note 9 here. Let's go ahead and put it on. Fits on nice and easy. Buttons work great. Your port cutouts, headphone, USB-C, speaker, and your S Pen, of course. Easy to get out, no issues there. Loving the S Pen. So that works great. Very, very nice case. Good grip, feels good in the hand, not too bulky, but adds a lot of protection. Next case, as I throw it across the table, next case is the SU flip cover. The SU flip cover is probably, it's not my favorite case. I'm not a huge fan of the folio style cases, but you know, there are a few that I'm willing to try out. And this one does have the ability to stand your phone up, which I will have to look into how that works. There's probably instructions like right here on how to stand that up. We'll play around with that later. But it does have the ability to prop your phone up to view content in movies and stuff like that. Go ahead and peel the plastic off here. I think that's all the plastic we have. Get the phone out of the Spec. Easy to get off. Go ahead and slap it down in the case. There we go. So you have your S View cover right there, which is really nice. Me and the reflection. And then whenever you put a case on like this, you always get a notification saying you can download themes that are relevant to your accessory. There is that. So there you have your always on display right there. Looks pretty nice. So you can see all that and you can still protect your phone at the same time. Now by default, the always on display does turn off. So what you can do is you can pop into settings here. If we go into advanced features, there's now an accessories tab. Automatic unlock. If you're not using a secure screen unlock, we're going to go ahead and turn that off. You can customize the notifications that will show on the screen on the S View cover. Not on the screen on the S View cover, but on the screen of your phone while you have the S View cover on. And then there is all your stuff here for the clock and stuff like that. But if we pop into the always on display settings, let's see. So there is an option to show always. Let's see. I know there's a way you can make it stay on. Yeah, clear view cover right here. When the cover is closed, your selected clock is replaced by the default clock and notifications. So let's see. We're going to turn that on. I know there's a way you can make it stay on. somebody found the setting for it. I just don't remember exactly where it is, but you can customize that so it stays on. Looks like automatic unlock is still on for some reason as well, even though I turned that off. But it's still automatically unlocking. I'll have to play around with the settings for it. But really nice case overall. Going to go ahead and set that aside, and we're going to check out the wireless charger duo, which I'm really excited about because I do have a wireless charger, but it lays flat, so I don't like using it on my nightstand because I can't see the notifications and stuff on my phone. So it's kind of a pain. See, and this does support, you know, your fast charging and all that kind of stuff. Let's see, there are 3 pieces of tape on this, which is extremely unnecessary. I'm just getting the tape off real quick. But I think these are definitely worth picking up, especially because you're getting 2 chargers for the price of 1. So it comes out on this plastic thing right here. So this is a plastic charger. I know it looks like, in pictures it looks like the charger, the padded one that they sell, but it is not. It is a hardback. So here on the top is your wireless charger duo accessories such as your wall brick and your cable. But here is the charger itself. Really nice. It does use USB-C, which is a plus. It is also a Qi charger. So you can, I'm sure it'll work with other devices, such as like the iPhones and stuff like that. So if you use an iPhone and you use a Samsung watch with your iPhone, which can be done, they do have an app so you can connect it to an iPhone. You can charge both of them with this charger. So there is that. I don't have anywhere to plug it in right now, so I can try that to see if an iPhone actually works on it, but I'm going to assume it does. If it doesn't, I'll leave it down in the description and let you guys know. But in this box right here, we have the quick start guide. Put that to the side. It's a charger, we don't need it. Right here we have a USB-C cable. It's the same cable that comes with the Note 9 itself. And we have a wireless charging brick, which, holy, this thing is a lot thicker than the one that comes with the phone itself. Plastic's always so hard to get off. This thing is pretty bulky, but gonna charge your devices pretty quick, to say the least. Let's see, 12 volts at 2.1 amps, 9 volts at 1.57 amps, or 5 volts at 2 amps. So that is the amperage and the wattage on that, or voltage and amperage on that. Sorry. Adaptive fast charging. So both of these are fast charge. It will fast charge the phone, and it will fast charge compatible watches. So those are some must-have accessories for your Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Samsung Galaxy S9, anything like that will work with this stuff. Minus the cases, obviously. You're going to want to get some compatible cases. But those are the accessories that I have picked up. I will be doing another case comparison video because I do have some more cases and stuff like that I've already unboxed and shown you guys, but I just want to do a video detailing them all and stuff like that. But this has been Colin with Techout. As always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and have a great day.